Hello, this is Jack. In this video, we're going to create a complex event log filter that will allow us to filter our consolidated event logs to view user account password reset events. In this particular example, there are two different events that we're looking for. The first one, event 4724, indicates there was an attempt to reset an account password. We're also going to look for event 628, which is the matching event from versions of Windows prior to 2008. The second event we're going to look for is the user account modification event. This event ID is 4738 for Windows 2008 and later, and in previous versions it was event ID 642. However, this event is shown each time a user account is modified, whether or not the password last set attribute was affected. So we're going to look for that event without the specific text that exists in the event description when the password is not changed. The first thing we want to do is give our filter a name. Since we're looking for one event or the other, let's go ahead and create two groupings. We're going to change our operator from AND to OR. Now we're going to specify in the first grouping the first set of events that we're going to look for. In this case, it will be event ID 4724 or event ID 628. Now we've created the first of the two events we're looking for. If it is event ID 4724 or event ID 628, it will pass our filter. The second part of our filter will be a little more complex. Inside the second area of our filter, we will create another grouping similar to the first one, but with events 4738 and 642. We don't, however, want all of the event 4738 and 642 messages. We just want ones that do not contain specific text, so we will create another grouping directly beneath this one with an AND operator this time and exclude the events that contain the text we do not want. Now we can save our filter. Now we're going to test our filter, but first I need to reset a user's password so that we know we will have events to see. And his password has been reset. Now that we've done that, let's go ahead and force our event logs to consolidate so we don't have to wait. After that's had a moment to complete, we will now pull up a consolidated view of all of our security logs on our domain controllers. As you can see, so far today we have 1,405 events, but I can go ahead and apply the newly created filter. Now you can see we have two events. I'm going to select the first one. And you can see here, this event indicates that an attempt was made to reset an account's password. Selecting the second event indicates a user account was changed. And that's how you create a complex event log filter.